How are you all? I hope you're always in good health. In this insightful video, we will delve into the fascinating world of woodpeckers, the avian wonders often encountered on our childhood television screens. Let's explore the intricate details of these unique birds, known for their distinctive lifestyle and physical adaptations. The woodpecker, equipped with a robust beak, engages in the remarkable behavior of pecking tree trunks hundreds to thousands of times each day. Contrary to misconceptions, they don't consume wood but rather feast on a diverse diet, including beetles, ants, termites, spiders, caterpillars, fruits, nuts, and even tree sap. Occasionally, their menu extends to include lizards, mice, eggs, nestlings, and small rodents. Now, let's embark on a detailed discussion. Woodpeckers showcase exceptional adaptability, inhabiting nearly all regions except Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Madagascar, and the coldest northern zones. Thriving in wooded areas and dense forests, these birds have earned their place as resilient and versatile inhabitants. According to A to Z Animals, woodpeckers' adaptability extends to almost every habitat, including treeless deserts. Concerns about woodpeckers damaging live trees are dispelled as Birds and Blooms enlightens us. Woodpeckers display a preference for dead trees, a deliberate choice fueled by the abundance of insects dwelling within. Rotten, soft wood becomes the ideal canvas for their pecking endeavors. Additionally, woodpeckers venture to live trees, employing various techniques to extract insects. The intriguing question arises: do woodpeckers suffer from headaches due to their repetitive pecking? Bird Feeder Hub reveals a remarkable solution. Woodpeckers possess a specialized bone in their heads known as the hyoid bone. This unique bone envelops the entire skull, providing crucial protection against the impact of constant head-to-tree collisions. With this adaptation, woodpeckers can peck trees 500 to 600 times a day without experiencing headaches or causing self-injury. As highlighted on the Bird Feeder Hub website, some woodpeckers can achieve this impressive feat up to 12,000 times a day. Woodpeckers exhibit a distinctive mode of communication termed drumming. Utilizing their beaks, they rhythmically strike hard surfaces, creating drumming sounds. Cadaddle notes that this drumming behavior serves to attract potential mates or proclaim territorial boundaries. Beyond their foraging habits, woodpeckers employ their beaks to bore intricate nesting holes within tree trunks. Once crafted, these nesting sites become secure spaces for female woodpeckers to lay their eggs. The ensuing weeks see woodpecker chicks nestled inside these tree hollows or cacti, as elucidated by A to Z Animals. With an almost staggering 200 species, woodpeckers come in various sizes. The smallest measures a mere 3 inches, while the largest can attain nearly 2 feet in length. Unfortunately, numerous woodpecker species have faced extinction due to habitat loss and hunting. This diversity showcases the incredible adaptability of woodpeckers' body structures, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments. As we conclude our exploration, share your encounters with woodpecker species in the comments. Thank you for immersing yourself in this comprehensive exploration of woodpeckers. To support the channel and stay updated on future content, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video adventure.